Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's episode, we're taking an in-depth look at the VATRER Power 48 volts 105 amp hour lithium golf cart battery. This battery has been gaining attention for its performance and features, but is it the best choice for your golf cart? We've collected extensive user feedback and technical details to help you decide. If you like it, then check the description for links to purchase. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more golf cart gadgets information. Unboxing and first impressions. First, let's start with what you get in the box. The VATRER Power battery comes well packaged, ensuring safety during shipment. Users have noted the battery's robust build and the inclusion of a detailed manual, making initial setup straightforward. The package typically includes the battery itself, a smart charger, and an LCD monitor for real-time data. Design and build quality. The VATRER Power battery is designed with durability in mind, featuring a high-strength cold-rolled sheet metal casing that's both fireproof and IP67 waterproof. It measures 12.52 inches deep, 19.69 inches wide, and 9.62 inches high, with a weight of 46.5 kilograms. It's engineered to fit most golf cart battery trays with minimal adjustments. Installation process. Installation feedback has generally been positive. Users have highlighted that while the battery is slightly larger than traditional lead-acid batteries, it can be fitted with minor modifications. The ease of installation is a significant plus, with many users able to complete the setup within a couple of hours. Detailed steps provided by users like George A. explain bypassing the onboard computer, OBC, in older golf carts, which is helpful for those with specific models like the 2001 Club Car DS Regan 2. Technical specifications. Diving deeper into the specs, this battery operates at 51.2 volts with a 105 amp-hour capacity, offering a high energy density that results in a powerful 10.24 kilowatt output. It's equipped with a smart 200 amps BMS that protects against overcharging, over-discharging, and temperature extremes. The battery is designed using top-of-the-line Grade A prismatic lithium iron phosphate cells, which are known for their stability and longevity. Performance and efficiency. Users report significant improvements in cart performance post-installation. The battery provides a continuous discharge current of 200 amps, peaking at 600 amps briefly, which enhances acceleration and power. This is evident in user experiences like that of KG, who noticed a marked increase in top speed and quicker acceleration in a 48-volt AC Yamaha drive. Advanced features. One of the standout features is the integrated touchscreen LCD and mobile app connectivity. This allows users to monitor various battery metrics in real time, including charge levels, current output, and overall battery health. The app's functionality, as highlighted by users, adds a layer of convenience for monitoring and maintenance. User reviews and long-term performance. Long-term reviews are overwhelmingly positive. Users appreciate the battery's ability to maintain consistent performance over multiple charge cycles, with many noting the absence of the typical degradation seen in lead-acid batteries. The battery supports over 4,000 cycles, significantly reducing the need for frequent replacements. Comparative analysis. When compared to other market options, the VATRER Power battery stands out for its balance of price, performance, and features. While it is pricier up front, the long-term savings on maintenance and replacement cost provide a compelling return on investment. Pros and cons. Pros. 1. High energy efficiency and output. 2. Robust build with advanced safety features. 3. Low maintenance and high cycle life. 4. Real-time monitoring via LCD and app. Cons. 1. Higher initial cost compared to traditional lead-acid batteries. May require modifications for installation in certain cart models. 3. Some reports of customer service challenges due to time zone differences. In conclusion, The VATRER Power 48 volts 105 amp hours lithium golf cart battery offers an exceptional upgrade over traditional options. Its advanced technology, robust performance, and user-friendly features make it a top contender for the best golf cart battery on the market today. Thank you for watching this detailed review. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. See you next time.